10 Financial Habits to Achieve Long-Term Wealth and Stability. Welcome back to your Finance Lab. Building long-term wealth isn't about luck or quick wins, it's about consistency, discipline, and smart habits. The way you manage your money today can have a massive impact on your financial future. But what are the habits that truly matter? In today's video, we're going to share 10 essential financial habits that can help you achieve lasting wealth and financial stability. These habits are practical, proven, and easy to start, no matter where you are in your financial journey. Stick around until the end, where we'll share a bonus habit that ties everything together. Let's get started. Habit 1. Automate your savings and investments. Successful people don't rely on willpower to save or invest, they automate it. Automation ensures that you're consistently putting money toward your goals without the temptation to spend it first. By automating your finances, you're prioritizing your future and making wealth building effortless. Think of it as paying yourself first before anything else. Actionable tips. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a high-yield savings account or investment account. Contribute to your 401k or IRA automatically with each paycheck. Use apps like Acorns or Wealthfront to round up purchases and invest the spare change. Habit 2. Live below your means. Living below your means is the cornerstone of financial stability. It doesn't mean depriving yourself, it means being intentional about your spending and avoiding unnecessary debt. The gap between your income and expenses is where wealth is built. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Actionable tips. Regularly review your budget and cut back on expenses that don't add value to your life. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Save and invest the difference instead. Focus on quality over quantity when making purchases. Habit 3. Track your net worth. Your net worth is the ultimate measure of your financial progress. Tracking it regularly helps you stay focused on building assets and reducing liabilities. It's not about obsessing over numbers, but understanding how your financial decisions impact your overall wealth. By monitoring your net worth, you can identify trends and make adjustments to reach your goals faster. Actionable tips. Calculate your net worth by subtracting your liabilities, which are your debts, from your assets like savings, investments, property, and so on. Update your net worth quarterly or annually to track your progress. Use tools like Personal Capital or a simple spreadsheet to keep everything organized. Habit 4. Avoid high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances, can erode your wealth over time. Successful people prioritize paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible, freeing up money for savings and investments. Debt isn't inherently bad, but mismanaging it can derail your financial goals. The key is to use debt strategically and avoid carrying balances that cost more than they're worth. Actionable tips. Pay off high-interest debt first using the avalanche method, which targets the highest interest rate first, or the snowball method, which focuses on the smallest balance first. Avoid using credit cards for purchases you can't pay off in full each month. Consider refinancing or consolidating debt to secure lower interest rates. Habit 5. Invest consistently. Building wealth requires making your money work for you, and investing is one of the most powerful ways to do that. The key is to invest consistently, even during market fluctuations. Over time, the power of compounding will help your money grow exponentially. Successful investors focus on the long term and avoid emotional decisions driven by short-term market changes. Actionable tips. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs for broad market exposure. Set up a recurring monthly investment, no matter how small. Reinvest dividends to maximize the compounding effect over time. Habit 6. Prioritize financial education. Knowledge is one of the most valuable assets when it comes to managing money. Financially successful people never stop learning about personal finance, investments, taxes, and wealth-building strategies. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Financial education isn't just about knowledge, it's about empowerment. Actionable tips. Dedicate time each month to reading personal finance books, taking courses, or watching educational videos. Follow reputable finance blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels like Your Finance Lab. Share your knowledge with friends or family to reinforce what you've learned. Habit 7. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky, especially in today's fast-changing economy. Diversifying your income streams creates financial security and accelerates wealth building. This could mean starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, or creating passive income streams. Multiple income streams not only provide stability, but also open up opportunities to grow your wealth faster. Actionable tips. Identify a skill or hobby you can monetize as a side hustle. Explore passive income opportunities such as dividend stocks, real estate, or digital products. Reinvest earnings from side projects into savings or investments to compound your wealth. Habit 8. Protect your wealth. Building wealth is one thing, keeping it is another. Successful people understand the importance of protecting their assets with insurance, estate planning, and proper asset allocation. They also plan for unexpected events like medical emergencies or market downturns to ensure their financial foundation stays strong. Wealth protection is just as important as wealth creation. Actionable tips. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage including health, life, auto, and property insurance. Create an estate plan including a will or trust to protect your assets and ensure they're distributed according to your wishes. Diversify your investments to reduce risk and protect your portfolio from market volatility. Habit 9. Regularly review your financial goals. Financial goals aren't set it and forget it, they require regular review and adjustment as your life circumstances change. Whether you've hit a milestone, changed careers, or faced unexpected challenges, revisiting your goals ensures you stay on track. Think of it as a financial checkup to make sure you're still heading in the right direction. Actionable tips. Schedule a financial review every 6 months to evaluate your progress and adjust your goals. Celebrate milestones to stay motivated and committed to your long-term vision. Update your budget and investment strategy based on any changes in your income or priorities. Habit 10. Practice gratitude and contentment. True wealth isn't just about money. It's about living a life of purpose and fulfillment. Practicing gratitude for what you have helps you avoid the trap of always chasing more and keeps your spending aligned with your values. Contentment allows you to focus on what truly matters while building wealth for the future. Wealth is a tool for freedom, not a measure of happiness. Actionable tips. Keep a gratitude journal and write down 3 things you're thankful for each day. Reflect on your financial progress regularly and appreciate how far you've come. Align your spending with your values and goals, prioritizing experiences and relationships over material possessions. Bonus habit: give back. Wealth isn't just about accumulating money, it's also about making a positive impact. Giving back, whether through charitable donations, volunteering, or mentoring, not only helps others but also reinforces a healthy relationship with money. Generosity creates a sense of purpose and can even open doors to new opportunities and connections. Set aside a percentage of your income for charitable giving or community projects. Volunteer your time or skills to causes that matter to you. Involve your family or friends in giving back to create a shared sense of purpose. Mastering personal finance and building wealth isn't about drastic changes. It's about consistent, intentional habits. By adopting these 10 habits and sticking to them, you'll create a strong foundation for financial stability and long-term wealth. Which habit resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance tips from your finance lab. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.